When I first came into Dr. Kyle's, I was in excruciating pain, not being able to move, only with a cane, and only a few steps at a time, and everyone was painful. And after just a couple weeks of seeing him, I did not need to use the cane anymore. And after about 3 months of treatment, I was feeling hardly any pain at all. If you're in severe pain, there's no other doctor than Dr. Kyle. He actually is effective. You feel the difference immediately and quicker than any other doctor I've been to. He treats you here, and he also tells you how to move your body so that you don't re-injure yourself. Gives you exercises to take home, and monitors your progress all the way through. And it's like your team getting better and not just suffering alone.
When I turned 50 years old, started getting those stiff in the morning, aches and pains, and my range of motion was also becoming more limited, especially turning, and I also was having trouble with my hands going numb and when I held a book and was reading. And my doctor wanted me to have carpal tunnel syndrome surgery. And my girlfriend found Dr. Kyle, and so we tried 3 different chiropractors, and we just loved Dr. Kyle. So we've been coming to him, probably 2 of his earliest patients when he moved up into this area. Dr. Kyle knew it had nothing to do with carpal tunnel, so he saved me that surgery. He knew that the nerves that caused the numbing in my hands were coming from the cervical vertebrae in my spinal cord. And so over the months he got that totally gone. That's been gone for years. All my range of motion is back. I get up in the morning like I'm 35 years old. I'm 61 now, and have no aches and pains or stiffness. And then I had different things happen along the way. I had to take off a summer from seeing Dr. Kyle, who I see once a week, and then now that I'm all up and running smoothly, I come every other week. And I had to take the summer off because I was having my house remodeled and had to be there every day. And as a result, I ended up getting this numbness outside my left thigh, and I thought that would never go away, and Dr. Kyle got that to go away too. So I also, my right arm, if I bent it behind my back, my left arm would go all the way up to in between my shoulder blades, so my right arm stayed down at my waist. Well, now the right arm goes all the way up to the shoulder blades, just like the left one. Oh, Dr. Kyle treats you like a friend, not just a patient. He knows what you need. He's fixed everything that I've had a problem with, and he's been right where medical doctors had wrong, and saved me from surgeries too. Also, he spends time massaging you and loosening up your muscles before doing the adjustments. Whereas other chiropractors, you come in and they're just, in 2 seconds, you're out of there. They don't spend time with you. Yes, I would definitely refer Dr. Kyle to other people, and I have many times. And sometimes it's frustrating. I see people that I know aren't going to go, and he could be saving them from surgeries and from so much pain. And even just people I'll see on the street, I'll think, oh, they need Dr. Kyle. I love the new office environment. Just driving into the parking lot, there's beautiful trees that just relax you immediately, and his garden behind me with the birds is very relaxing. And he has a wonderful table in another room where you can spend 15 minutes before your appointment if you so desire, and it gives you a massage and loosens you all up, and I just love that table. So.